You've got endless dreams and a list of goals a mile long. Agility, flexibility, creativity. These are the parts of your engine. The virtues that drive you forward. It's no coincidence we share those same virtues. It's personal for you, so it's personal for us. We create the tool that helps connect your vision of the future to your present reality. We want to be with you when you accomplish your dreams and check off every goal on that list. And we want these things for one simple reason. What drives you drives us.